अथ मे देव सम्मोहम अपाकष्टम तम अर्हसि जो अवग्रह अहम ममेति तस्मिन् योजितस्तया. So Devahiti is accepting or accepted her son Kapildev as Guru, and now he is placing the problem and how to solve it. So, to go to Guru means to solve the material problem, not temporary problem. I have got some disease, give me some mantra so that I am cured, or I am in poverty, give me some mantra, I can get money. Not like that. To deliver me from the sanmoha, illusion, aham mameti. This material life is a sanmoha, aham mameti. Atab the material life begins Pungsang striyang mithuni bhavami tat. This material life is described in 4 lines. What is this material life? Pungsang striyang mithuni bhavami tat. Etat. This material life is nothing but an attraction of sex. Pungsang striyang. The man is after woman and woman is after man. This is material life, beginning. Everywhere, not only human society, even in bird society, dog society, cat society, or demigod society, everywhere you'll see this sex attraction. Pungsang striyang mithuni bhavametat tayor mitha hidayaganti mahu. And they are seeking, and as soon as they are joined together, who satisfy the sex desire, attraction becomes more and more tight. Then, atat grihaccheta sutata vittai janasya mohoyam aham mameti. So as soon as they are combined, they require one house or apartment or cottage or nest. Something must be private. Atak griha, kshetra, then to work, to earn livelihood, one must have some land. Either you construct skyscraper building or till it or get some food grain. Atak griha kshetra suta. Then without children, married life is frustrated. Putrahinam griham sunnam. Married life without children is void. Vidyahinam jivanam sunnam. If one is not educated, his life is vacant. Or vacant. Vidyahinam jivanam sunnam dika sunnam devo bandha. And if you go to some foreign country, if there is no deva, temple, God's temple, or friend, that is also useless. And putrahinam griham sunnam. And if you have no children, the so-called married life is also void. And sarvasunnam daridrita. And if you are poor in poverty, then everything is zero. Even if you have got wife, or even you have got education, or you have got friend, everything is. That is Chanakya Pandit's advice. So, this family life is attraction. Griha Kshetra, then Suta, children, then Apta, relatives. In this way, Janasya Mohoyam Aham Mameti, he becomes entangled in this material life. But that is moho. That is not fact. It is moho in this sense because we have to change this body. In this body I have created something, Griha Kshetra, Suta, Apta, Vitta, and at the time of death, as Krishna says, Mrityu sarva harascha aham. Krishna takes out everything as death. Your griha, your house, your land, your wife, your children, your friend, your reputation, everything is taken out. And then you have to begin another life. Tatha dhyantara prapti. You are not dead. You are living eternally. Na hannate hannamane sarire. This body is finished. You have to accept another body. And that you do not know what kind of body you will get. There are so many bodies. Jalajanam lakhani sabra lakhavinsati. 8,400,000 forms of body. So, you have to enter some of them, one of them. So in this way our life is going on. But temporarily, we are situated in a position, this is my wife, this is my children, this is my house, this is my country, this is my nation, this is my mind, aham mameti. This illusion. You will not be allowed to stay in the circumstances of aham mameti. That's a fact. Everything will be taken away. But we are attached to this. This is material life. Therefore, Devahati proposes that jo avagraha, this false conception of life, aham mameti, I am American, I am Indian, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian, or I am Brahmin, I am Kshatri. This avagraha, it is called upadhi, designation for the timing. Just like you become minister for 5 years or 3 years or president. Just like Nixon was president. Now he is not president. So this is an upadhi. You are Indian, American, this, that, they are all upadhis. Therefore, if we are attached to the upadhi, that is called avagraha, aham mameti. And according to the upadhi, I become attached to me and mine. I am this, I am that, and it is mine. But actually, they are all illusion. Fact it is. If you suppose just like this president was 5 years, very powerful, now he is dragged down, then what is the value? What is the value? Say it may be for 5 years or 50 years or at most 100 years. Or a million years, just like Brahma. But they are all temporary. In the eternal time, 5 years or 10 years or 100 years or 5 million years, they are all limited. They are not eternal. But we are eternal. We living entities, we are eternal. So, why we should be illusioned by the non-eternal? That is called illusion. That is called Gyan. I learn from Bhagavad Gita that I am eternal. There is no birth, there is no death. Na jayate na amriyate va kadachit. Kadachit. At any time. Not that it has begun now. No. Never we are born. Na hannate hannavani. So this is the fact. So why I shall be interested in something non-eternal? This is called knowledge. if I am eternal and my position is to enjoy life, Anandamaya Bhyasat, by nature I am part and parcel of Krishna. Krishna is Sachidananda Vigraha, and Krishna says, Mamaivamsa Jiva Bhuta. So qualitatively I am also Sachidananda. So why I am enjoying this temporary life for 10 years or 20 years or 200 years? This is called knowledge. Etat jnanam. Other jnanam, they are not jnanam. I have said many times, they are arts, silpa, to live for some time and make some artistic way a living condition and forget my real problem. Janma mittu jara vyadi dukkha doshana darsana. So, for this purpose, one should approach Guru. Tasmad Gurum Pravaddeta. One who is actually interested for spiritual life, he should inquire about a Guru. Not as a fashion, that let me keep one Guru. No. Tasmad Gurum Prapaddeta Jigyasu Sre Uttamam. Just like Devahuti is doing. Uttamam. Something beyond this darkness. Tama means darkness. And Ut means above. Uttam, that is Uttam. So one who is interested, Uttama life means the spiritual life. Tama life means this material life. Tamasima, Jyotirgama. If you can transcend this darkness, the world of darkness, and if you come to the world of light, that is required. So, Devahuti, in the previous verse, accepted his son, Kapildev. Pungsam Ishvara Vai Bhavan Lokasya Tamasandhasya. Lokasya Tamasandhasya Chakshu Surja Ibodita. You are just like the sun. Sun, when in the morning the sun is arisen, then all darkness immediately gone. Similarly, you have arisen, God, Krishna, or his incarnation. When they come, the darkness of this material world, illusion, is dissipated. Just like Krishna, and Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, came, the darkness, illusion, Arjun's illusion, was counteracted. He was also thinking, aham mameti. Why shall I fight with my relatives, the other side? So, this was darkness, aham mameti. Either you maintain or you love this illusory position, that is sanmoham. This very word is used here. Atha me deva sanmoham apakastam tamharasi. Sanmoham. Sammag rupena moham. Sammoham. The material life, aham mamete, we have created some situation, mine and mine. All this is false. Illusion, although it is false, you are so much attached to it. So, you require to dissipate the apakastum, this misconception. That is the business of Guru. Ajnana timidandhasya jnananjana salakaya chakshur militam jena tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. This is Guru. Guru's business is that we are in the darkness of this illusion, my and mine, and the whole world is going on, the fight between nation and nation, between society and society, community and community, brother and brother, father and mother, or so many. Simply this ahamameti. This much mine. Why you are interfering in my business? There must be fight. This illusion is going on. But we do not belong to any one of them. It is temporary. Just like in railway compartment, if there is some crowd, somebody fights. Why you have pushed me? Why you have taken my seat? And there is a very big fight. And somebody tolerates. I shall sit here for 2 hours or for 3 hours. Why shall I fight? This is one mentality. And another mentality is that he knows that for the 2 hours or 3 hours or some other hours he will remain in that compartment, but there is fight. Because aham mameti, that 2 hours seat, he is thinking it is my permanent seat. Why you should intrude upon my seat? This is going on. Nobody will be allowed to stay here in this material world. He will have to change the body, his position. Dukkhalam asasatam. And so long he will remain here, he will have to fight, struggle for existence. This is material life. And at the same time, if you make compromise, then never mind, it is full of miseries, I shall stay here. No, we cannot be allowed. You will be kicked out. Dukkhalam asasatam. This is the material. So, and we have got very much attachment for this material world. We cannot. Therefore, according to Vedic system, there is compulsory renunciation. Get out, please, immediately. Panchasodham vanam bhajet. You are now past 50 years. That's all right. You have falsely fought in this material world. Aham mameti. Now stop this business. Come out. This is Vedic civilization. As soon as you are 50 years, you may, just like children, they play in the beach, making sand house and so on. Now the father, when the time is up, now my dear children, stop this business. Come out. Come here. Oh. So we have to do that. This is the business of Guru, to teach the student detachment, that this world is not your place. Your place is Vaikuntha Loka. Krishna comes for this purpose. Jada jadai dharmasya glani bhavati bharat. This is dharmasya glani, when we become too much attached with this material world. That is called dharmasya glani. What is dharma? Dharmantu sakshat bhagavat pranitam. Dharma means the order of the Supreme Person. That is dharma. The order of the Supreme Person is so open to everyone. Nobody can say that I do not know what is the order of the Supreme. I do not carry out. That is another thing. But the order of the Supreme is there. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji mang namaskuru. Just become my devotee. Always think of me. Manmana bhavamad bhakta madhyaji, worship me. You haven't got to worship anyone else. Mam ekam. The order is open. But we will not do it. That is another thing. We will not accept. But still Krishna comes. When this dharma is disobeyed, Krishna comes. Therefore Krishna says to Arjuna, because you are my friend, I am just talking to you the most confidential dharma. Because I have spoken to you in so many ways, but because you are my intimate friend, so I am talking to you now the most essential part of dharma. What is that? Now whatever I have said, you can give up. Sarva dharman parityajya. I have explained to you about so many yoga system, but this is the real yoga system. Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam saranam vraja. So, this dharma is taught by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, by His incarnation, by His devotee, by saintly person. This is real dharma, but we do not take it. That is another thing. But if we take it, then we become benefited. So here it is said, so, you are my spiritual master, although you are my son, but I accepted you as my spiritual master. I know you can deliver me from this darkness of ignorance. So, atha deva sammoham apakustam. I am attached to this material world, that is illusion, sammoham apakustam. Now, you dissipate this sammoham. So, Guru means repeatedly his business is to enlighten the disciple how to become detached to this material world. Simply detachment will not help you. The other philosophy, Shunyavadi, that you make zero this material detachment. No, that is not possible. We have got, because we are Anandamaya, we want Ananda, Sat Chit Ananda. Actually, we are searching after eternal life, Sat, that is Sat, eternal life. And Chit means knowledge, and Ananda, Satchit Ananda. We are seeking that. Partially, if we simply understand eternity, that will not help us. We must have blissful knowledge. So the Mayavadi, those who are impersonalists, they want to make these material varieties of life zero, because they are very much disgusted with this material life. So Jagat Mithya, they say, this is Mithya, this is false.
अपडेट्स के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और यदि टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आपका कोई प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप पूछ सकते हैं।